What is up, guys? Going to be installing the rear strut bar from PRL on our 11th gen hatchback. This also works for the FL5. We do have the interior already kind of gutted, so it's going to be a quick install. I'll get into it a little bit, how you cut everything inside here. I just need to unlock it real quick. Now let's get in. I'll show you where you have to cut on the carpet and how to install it. All right, guys, so we just laid this out in the back. I just wanted to kind of show it to you. It does not go here. However, impossible to mount it with these in the way. So I'm actually going to take these out because we're slowly kind of turning the car more into street race build. But what you'll have to do is you'll actually have to cut with a razor blade here so you get a pass through. I would just probably cut like a small square hole for the bar to go through. But the install that we're gonna do, it's gonna have these completely taken out. But it'll at least show you guys how it goes in. It's super easy. All right, so we're gonna take off the back piece. Just use a small screwdriver and interior tool and pry it up on the sides, and it'll pop off with these. Just gonna make it access so we can start pulling the carpet away. All right, to get off this side plastic, you're gonna take off this little cover so you can take off the Phillips. All right, so once you have this screw out, you can basically get full access to back here, which will give you access to bolt the parts in. All right, guys, so we went ahead and took those off. Those are 12 millimeter. On the bar here, you're gonna have to take off one of the sides. You can install this side first, and then take your little bracket, put it on here, bolt everything down. You're gonna need an Allen on one side and then a 13 mil on the other, just to take these off. So let's get it installed. Show you guys. All right, guys, so there it is installed. Definitely want to loosen these up. It is a very tight fit, but it's engineered to be that way. And this will just, especially for you guys that like track days and cornering, this will firm up the rear a little bit. So I hope you like it. We have these on our site. I'll go ahead and leave a link down below. Let us know what you think.